Laziness is a natural feeling that everyone experiences from time to time. It can be caused by fatigue, a lack of motivation, or even an inner fear of challenges. However, if laziness begins to hinder achieving goals and affects the quality of life, it's worth actively addressing. Overcoming this feeling is possible if you identify its true causes and take specific steps to eliminate them. The first step in combating laziness is to understand its nature. Often, it is a signal from the body that it needs rest. If you constantly feel tired, try analyzing your schedule. Perhaps you need to pay more attention to sleep, nutrition, or physical activity. A healthy lifestyle can significantly boost energy levels and motivation. The next important step is setting clear goals. Laziness often arises from a lack of understanding of why effort is necessary. Break large tasks into smaller, more achievable steps. Each small success brings satisfaction and inspires further action. For example, if you want to learn a new language, start with just 10 minutes of practice daily. It may seem insignificant, but over time it will lead to noticeable progress. Motivation also plays a key role in fighting laziness. Ask yourself, why is this task important to you? How will it impact your life? A clear understanding of the goal helps overcome resistance and gives the strength to act. If finding motivation is difficult, try visualizing the result or rewarding yourself for completed work. Discipline is another powerful tool in the fight against laziness. Learn to stick to a daily routine and complete tasks even when the desire to act is absent. Discipline is a skill that can be developed through regular practice. Start by setting simple rules, such as waking up at the same time every day, and gradually add new beneficial habits. In dealing with laziness, it's important to avoid excessive self-criticism. Laziness is not a weakness, but merely a temporary state that can be overcome. Instead of blaming yourself, focus on finding solutions and believing in your strength. Support from loved ones or a mentor can also help overcome difficulties. Time management techniques, such as the Pomodoro method or the 2-minute rule, can be very useful. They help organize time and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Additionally, try to minimize distractions like social media or television, which often become sources of laziness. Ultimately, laziness is an enemy that can be defeated with effort and a well-thought-out strategy. A healthy balance between work and rest, clear goals, discipline, and support from loved ones will help you find motivation and move forward. Remember, even small steps lead to significant changes, and the most important thing is to start acting today. Thank you for watching.